One of the best parts about solar is seeing that $0 bill at the end of every month. But did you know you might even be able to get some extra money back into your pocket if you produce extra electricity, depending on your utility company? Now, when your solar panels are producing electricity during the daytime when it's nice and sunny outside, they're first going to power your home or your business, all the appliances, air conditioning, whatever else you've got running. The excess electricity is actually going to go back to the grid through your meter. Every unit of electricity that you send back to your utility company, you get a credit in your account. Now, during the evening time, when there's not as much sunlight outside and you're not producing as much electricity, you're actually going to start pulling electricity from the grid instead of just pushing. Every unit of electricity that you end up using at that point, you're actually not being charged for because you built up those credits during the daytime. At the end of the month, the utility company is going to do all of their math. They're going to add up how much electricity that you sent them, how much electricity that you took from them, and they're only going to bill you on if you have any extra electricity you used. Now, what's really great about this is with net metering policies like most utility companies have, the extra electricity at the end of the month will actually roll over to the next month, kind of like rollover minutes. And what's even better is some utility companies will actually send you a check at the end of every year for any extra that you have left over. Now, of course, this is all going to be depending on what utility company you have and what area that you live in. Some utility companies may not send you a check, some of them may not roll over those credits, and in some rare cases, some utility companies may not even give you anything for those extra credits. A good net metering program is a really important factor when deciding if solar is the right decision for you. Here at ERCO, our job is to help prospective solar investors like yourself get all the right facts to be able to make an educated decision.